Hello everyone and welcome to another bundle weekender at Tonic Studios, where we give you 6 special saver bundles only available on the Tonic website at 30% off. This weekend is no different, and it's a special weekend because we've just released our garden party stamp release. So we got some awesome stamps with florals and critters all available on the store, and these bundles are designed to go along with those. So if you want to add these to your basket, it's a great way to make a saving on those. So I'm going to go through all these bundles individually and just tell you what's in them. And yeah, there's loads of cool stuff in here. So we'll start it off with the stamping paper packs. So you've got this awesome A4 watercolor card pack here, and 2 packs of ultra smooth card in there as well. So that's your stamping paper packs. Next up, you've got your woodland critters, and these are aquaflows. So these are beautiful for doing those, colouring those critters, and yeah, those sort of watercolor effects that you're gonna really want to utilize when you're using the stamp. So these are really nice. They're quite earthy colors in there for you, so really nice, those two. Then you've got the floral bouquet, which is a selection of marker pens. We know you love your Newville Markers, and we've got a real nice spectrum of colors here. You've got reds, greens, yellows and purples there. Are going to be great for colouring with this, whether it's stamping or on your cards or whatever sort of techniques you want to be using and doing that. So next up is the classic collection, and this is embossing powders. So if you've never tried embossing powders before, you can create really awesome effects when stamping using a heat gun. That really makes the designs pop. So yeah, really nice selection there, and you got some core colours. So some classic colours. You got blacks, you got white, you got gunmetal grey, and you've got a lovely one here as well as the copper blush. So you got your core metallic elements there. I've also got a beginner brights here, which are the inks. So these are brightly coloured inks. If you haven't seen them before, ink pads, and they're going to be an essential for you for your stamping to create those bright, vivid patterns and textures and all that kind of stuff that you're going to want from your stamping designs. They're on there too. Also, next up then, we have got the Shine selection, which is a selection of glitter markers. If you haven't seen our glitter markers before, they're beautiful, really vibrant glitter colors. You get 3 in each pack, and the glitter really does shine in this. If you want to add some real dazzle to your designs, then the glitter markers are the one. And finally, the Farmyard Friends. If you have seen the garden party release already, you'll see that those critters, yeah, there's some lovely farmyard critters in there for you with accessories and all that kind of stuff, and these are going to be great. So these earthy browns, skin tones, apricot orange is in there as well. They're going to be brilliant for that. So those are the bundles which are going to be on the website this weekend. Really worth checking out and add in there if you're into stamping or not. These are going to be perfect for you to just complete your craft collection. Now they're available from Friday at 8 AM, and they're going to be available throughout the weekend until Monday at 4 PM. So until next time, have a look at the bundles, and I'll see you soon.